How to fix Netflix your account cannot be used in this location problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your cannot be used in this location problem in your Netflix app. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Play Store first and search for Netflix. In case you see update sign instead of open, tap onto update and update your app. Now let's go ahead and open up our settings application and scroll below to apps. At the top search bar, type in Netflix and under usage, tap on to storage. Here, clear the cache if you have any, then clear the data. Also be noted that if you clear this application's data, it will delete all of your login history and your credentials. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on delete. Once you do that, go back and tap on to force stop, then tap on OK. Now restart your device and that shall fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.